So it hasn't been but maybe a month or so since we did the headlight housing paint, and I actually liked it so much that I bought headlights. And these are just the Winjet headlights, but they have the LED driver lights. So these are the JDM style, but they're the $300 ones on eBay because we're a poor boy. So let's go put these on the car. Okay, I've already got the front bumper taken off, and I will actually link that video below, and I will tag it to the end of this video. But to remove the headlight, if you didn't watch my blackout video, is a bolt here. There's one down under there. There's a bolt up top. And then there's the two in the sides right here. And that will remove the support bracket, and then the headlight actually pops off with this clip right here. And there's a push pin right there. So let's pull the headlight off real quick, and then we will disconnect the harness. This is the harness that we need to disconnect because the Winjet lights actually, this is the socket that plugs into it. The split here stays on the headlight. We actually don't need it. So push the release in, and we're going to disconnect this clamp, and then we're going to pop the headlight off. Okay, we pop the headlight on, and just be sure when you plug in that socket that it clicks in there nice and good, because you don't want condensation in there and mess up the connection. So there it is, clipped in, and let's bolt this dude back on, see what it looks like all finished. And here's the after. Much prettier headlights, much more modern looking. Overall, absolutely thrilled to death with how they look. Let's turn the car on, let it sit here and run, and we can see the different functions for the lights real quick. They function completely normal. You do have high and low beam with these, and the LED driver's lights. With the lighting, you're probably not going to be able to see them on quite as well as you could if it was dark out. But that's with the LED driver lights on. And then when you turn on the headlights, they go off. And now the driver's lights have gone off, and we have low beams, and then the high beams will work the same. It's a very good mod. I've heard that they are supposed to fog up after about a week, and then they clear. So I'm still waiting for that to happen, but overall I'm absolutely thrilled with the purchase. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe right here for more Rage Fueled content. We'll see you next time.